quick video to show a couple of Webull custom indicators that can be used to trade wisely and identify trends better. If you are interested to get these custom indicators, the link is saved down in the description. So just to give a highlight, I have over here the indicators listed. Some of them are the default indicators. The screen as shown now, it shows the white line is a view up, and this blue line is a 9 EMA, and the green line is 20 EMA, and above here the red line, that's the 200 EMA. So those are the default Webull indicators. So in this case I'll just keep it just to demonstrate the custom indicators. I also have the default RSI indicator and the MACD indicator over here. So to start, I will start with the AMA cloud. So as you can see, we have the 9 AMA and the 20 AMA, and there is nothing in between them. So the AMA cloud, what it does is, I have it over here. This is my custom indicator. So when it's applied, it shades the area between the two AMAs to show that if the 9 is below the 20, it shades in red, showing that the trend is downwards. If it's the 9 crosses the 20, it will show green highlights, just to show that the trend is now to the upside. That's maybe I might have some over here, so the trend shows upwards. So that's the AMA cloud, and let me remove that. And the next one is I have over here is a pre-market. This is a very popular one from the shop that people are buying. So this is indicator that automatically highlights the previous day pre-market, opening range, and also the previous day close levels. So when I turn it on over here, so as it can be seen here, it automatically draws the line. So the orange line over here, that's the previous day close, and I have this red broken ticker line, that's for the previous day low. And if I zoom in, this green line, that's for the previous day high. And I have over here, so this is a green shade with a lighter broken green line, and the lighter red line over here, broken line, that's the pre-market level. So if you see this purple line and the yellow line, those are either the 5-minute or the 15-minute opening range lines, and the shading for the pre-market and the selection, it can be changed under setting. So here under setting, we can show either orb or pre-market. We can turn them on and off. Now because I turned them off, then nothing is shown. If you turn this on, now the orb line is shown, and this is turn it off and this is on, it will show the pre-market lines. Okay, that's the pre-market in the levels indicator. So I turn that off, and now the next one I have is the AMA cloud, the RSI. So this is a kind of combination of different indicators. So it has the AMA cloud, and it also shows the extremes of the RSI. So when the RSI is oversold and overbought, it's going to show indicators over here. And also when the MACD crosses up and down, it also shows, and the view up indicator is also there. So when I turn that on, see all these lines. So now the AMA cloud is there, and also when for each time frame we're on, let's say in this case, if it shows green dot lines just like this, that means the RSI is oversold based on the setting we have. So in this case, oversold condition is below 30. So in that case, when it's below that, we see that the green dots appear. That's showing now the RSI in oversold condition. That indicates a probability that the price might bounce a little bit, or reversal is coming. So in this case over here, so all this time, because this day was a very bearish day, all through the day the RSI was oversold. So that's one indicator, and we didn't have it here, but over here you see this, the yellow line. So this is because oversold for the RSI. If it's overbought, it will show on the top and it will be red. So same thing for MACD. So this is a yellow plus line over here. That's to show MACD cross up. So the MACD crosses up, that's an indicator. So the price action might turn bullish. So on the opposite direction, if the MACD cross below, over here, let me see, so I think we have one here. So this one, the purple plus sign, that's when the MACD crosses below, which shows that the bearish price action is incoming. So that's one thing. And also when it doesn't show over here because the cross is not visible yet, but when price crosses the view up, we see, yeah, over here I have it here. So this white cross, double cross line, that shows, appears whenever price crosses above the view up line. And there is also, for the opposite case, as can be seen here, this darker plus signs that appears when the price crosses below, just like shown here. When the price crosses below the view up line, those show. So this is a kind of a collection of indicators that show different aspects of trading. Okay, now going to the next one, I have this relative volume surge indicator. This one, when it is turned on, it will show there is a setting. So in this case, see, if it's these yellow bug symbols, if we get those, that means the volume is 2 times the average trading volume. So this shows the volume surge. And these purple ones, again, it shows the volume is 2 times the average volume, trading volume, but when it's purple, it shows the price action is downwards, and when it's yellow, it shows the price action is upwards. And relative volume, there is a setting. All these indicators are setting, but for this relative volume, when we can change the factor, so this surge factor is 2, we can even make it 1.5 or some other measurement you can add there. So that's for relative volume. And one other thing, very nice one, is, so if you notice the RSI over here compared to especially trading view, there is no signal line over here. It's just the RSI indicator is there. So what I did over here is the RSI signal. I have it over here. So this is my RSI indicator. So if you see, I have, let me close MACD for comparison. So the default RSI indicator is here. The custom RSI indicator is over here. So in this case, I have the purple line that's exactly like what is in the default one. It's the RSI line, but I also have the signal line over here. So this is a really good indicator. Let's say over here, so the RSI line comes and it has a signal line and comes down. So because it rejects here, that's a very good location to buy puts to ride the price down. Again, over here it crosses up, so that's also an indicator that the price might turn bullish. So this is a very extremely powerful indicator when it's combined with the signals indicator. So that's my RSI indicator. So if you think this helps, I'm sure it helps for improving trading. So if you want to get a copy, you can find it in the description. Thank you for watching.